Welcome to H2HUBB, your premier source for hydrogen product insights, and in this video we will be reviewing the hydrogen gas inhaler from DoctorsMan, a hydrogen company based in Japan. My name is Tom Hubbard and I'm the owner of H2HUBB, and this is the hydrogen inhalation device from the company DoctorsMan. If you're after a clinical grade hydrogen inhalation device that is precision engineered with top tier safety as a priority, then this device and this review is exactly what you need. In this video, we're going to break this product down in 6 points. What is it for and who is it for? Details such as price, key features and comparisons, the user experience, safety and maintenance, our seal of approval, my own personal opinion, and 3 reasons why you should consider this product. What is it for? This device is specifically engineered for hydrogen inhalation therapy, prioritizing both safety and extended lifespan to ensure reliable long-term use. Who is it for? This device is best suited for use in medical clinics, research laboratories, or university settings. This is ideal for those who are serious about investing in hydrogen therapy and want the assurance of top-tier safety, durability, and expert engineering. Let's get into the details. First, starting with the company. DoctorsMan is based out of Japan. DoctorsMan, a pioneer in the hydrogen industry since 2005, is dedicated to advancing top-tier hydrogen technologies grounded in rigorous scientific research and medical evidence. Their mission is to drive the growth of the hydrogen industry while enhancing human health through high, effective, cutting-edge products. Price. Right now, this system is $26,000 USD. However, exclusively through H2HUBB, you can get this system for $23,400. This is a $2,600 discount with free shipping. This is without a doubt the highest quality and most premium hydrogen product on our website so far. Its top-tier performance and unmatched quality truly justifies the investment. Presenting the hydrogen inhalation device by DoctorsMan, a high-quality device manufactured exclusively in Japan, arguably the world's hub for hydrogen therapy innovation and research. Produces 5M purity, 99.999% pure hydrogen gas, one of the purest levels commercially available, ensuring optimal therapeutic benefits. Equipped with a 100% titanium proton exchange membrane, this device incorporates extremely high-grade materials designed for longevity and efficiency. With an impressive 50,000 hours cell lifespan, the device is built to last. This equates to approximately 16 to 33 years of use if a person inhaled 2 to 4 hours per day, 5 days a week. Delivers hydrogen at a consistent 250 milliliters per minute, achieving an effective 2% hydrogen concentration. Ideal for safe, non-flammable inhalation with therapeutic benefits for most adults. Engineered for 24/7 operation, this unit is robust enough for extended inhalation sessions ranging from 3 to 8 hours or more without interruptions. Features an intuitive interface, making it simple and accessible to monitor and control each session. This device has been utilized in clinical studies by Keio University, a leader in hydrogen research in Japan, for both human and animal research, underscoring its credibility in therapeutic applications. With a rated voltage of AC 100 to 240 volts at 50 to 60 Hz, it is ready for use in the US and internationally, meeting the needs of a worldwide customer base. Weighing 28 pounds with dimensions of 9 by 14 by 18 inches, it fits comfortably in various settings. The device only requires distilled water for operation, making it low maintenance and user-friendly for daily use. Specifically engineered to charge DoctorsMan's hydrogen storage tanks, this system not only produces pure hydrogen gas, but also delivers precision pressure needed to fill these tanks to capacity. This feature enables users of the day's hydrogen injection system to conveniently recharge their tanks with ease, simply by sending it to a certified provider equipped with this system. With its exceptional engineering, advanced purity standards, and compatibility for medical and personal use, the system is a leading choice for hydrogen inhalation therapy, combining reliability, ease of use, and cutting-edge hydrogen technology. Now, what are you getting for your money? This is a meticulously engineered high-end hydrogen inhalation device that sets the benchmark for safety and durability. It is trusted by clinical researchers, universities, medical facilities, and household alike, backed by its use in clinical studies. Rigorously tested by third-party authorities and laboratories, this device delivers proven safety and reliable performance. Compared to other similar products, this device stands out among professional-grade H2 inhalation units, nearing the level of hospital-grade systems. With its exceptional and top-tier performance, few products on the market offer a direct comparison. Now for the user experience. Let's explore DoctorsMan's hydrogen inhalation device and its features. Starting with the back side of the system, the master switch powers the device on and off, controlling the main electrical input. Here is the H2 outlet or the output port that connects to a nasal cannula, allowing you to inhale hydrogen gas for therapeutic use. The O2 outlet vents excess oxygen generation during electrolysis, ensuring only hydrogen flows through the inhalation port. The H2 vent and plug is designed to keep the device secure during transport. Remember to remove the plug before operation. Next, the filter cartridge houses a deionization resin pack to keep the added distilled water pure, optimizing the hydrogen generation process. The drain port allows you to conveniently empty the unit when necessary. And the H2 relief port prevents back pressure buildup during operation, maintaining a smooth and consistent flow. Now, onto the front side of the device. The LCD display and control panel provides a detailed view of the device's operation status. Here is what it displays. Status modes, which shows real-time operation modes such as standby, reach normal pressure, and normal flow. Adjustable pressure setting to set and monitor the device's internal pressure. This setting is already preset by the factory and does not need adjusted. Hydrogen production level allows you to check the current rate of hydrogen generation. The screen also displays the level of distilled water within the device, ensuring optimal performance. Let's move on to the control buttons. The start-stop button begins electrolysis and allows the system to reach an appropriate internal pressure for hydrogen inhalation. This is the open and close button. Press open to initiate hydrogen gas flow for inhalation and close to end the session. The menu button allows you to access specific settings such as adjusting pressure, system configuration, and other operational parameters. This water level display window provides a clear view of the distilled water in the tank, helping you monitor the water level. Now on the top is the distilled water reservoir port, designed for easy addition of pure distilled water, which is required for hydrogen generation and inhalation therapy. Let's walk through using this device. Number 1, power up. Plug in the power cord and switch on the master switch at the back. 2, fill with water. Add distilled water up to the indicated level in the reservoir. 3, connect nasal cannula. Attach the cannula securely to the H2 outlet. 4, start hydrogen generation. Press the start-stop button to activate hydrogen production, allowing the device to build pressure. 5, begin inhalation. Once the pressure stabilizes, press the open button to release hydrogen gas and start your inhalation session. 6, end session. After the session, press the start-stop button to halt hydrogen generation, then switch off the device by using the master switch. That's it. This device brings advanced hydrogen therapy into a user-friendly experience, ensuring safe, pure, and reliable hydrogen inhalation. Let's talk about maintenance, which is super easy with this device. Wipe down the unit with a clean, soft cloth regularly to keep it looking good and functioning at its best. Refill the distilled water tank as needed to ensure continual operation. Completely replace the distilled water in the tank every 6 months for optimal performance. Replace the deionizing filter every 6 months to maintain water purity and prevent mineral buildup. Let's get into our seal of approval. Here at H2HUBB, we third-party test and analyze hydrogen products against our in-house performance standards, which are based on clinical studies. This way, we ensure our recommendations are providing similar levels of hydrogen gas that are seen in studies, and protects consumers, ensuring they're going to get a product that's providing them therapeutic levels of hydrogen gas. You can view our H2 performance standards on the H2HUBB website, and each recommended product comes with an approved H2HUBB test report. Let's discuss our test results of the DoctorsMan Hydrogen Inhalation System. Through our testing, we confirmed the gas flow rate of the system, both H2 and O2. We measured the hydrogen gas flow rate at 305 milliliters per minute, which converts to 25.14 milligrams per minute at SATP. The O2 flow rate was 152.5 milliliters per minute, and the total gas production of both the H2 and O2 was 457.5 milliliters per minute. Based on current research, we concluded that the device's hydrogen flow rate is sufficient to deliver therapeutic levels of hydrogen gas, achieving an inhaled H2 concentration of 2 to 2.5% for an average adult at resting breathing rates. The DoctorsMan Hydrogen Inhalation System has earned our approval and is recommended for hydrogen inhalation. Based on these test results, we rated the system as a level 3 H2 inhalation performance and classify it as a professional grade H2 inhalation device. Now for my personal opinion, I cannot tell you guys, this is a pretty crazy and surreal experience. I've been talking with this company, DoctorsMan, for 5-6 years, somewhere around that time. And this has been a big desire for me to be able to test this device and recommend this device. It is definitely known as one of the highest quality hydrogen inhalation systems in the industry. Been knowing about it for a long time, and so before I even get into what I like about it, what I like about it, I should say, not don't like about it. There's not much to not like about this system. The price point is pretty crazy, but that's because it really is kind of in a class of its own. But before I get into that, I just want to be like, this is a really dream come true type experience for me personally. Apart from the analytical side of things, I've been, like I said, I've talked with this company, and we're also going to have another video for their other product. And I think that they're doing something really, really, really special when it comes to this technology, and this company has been a pioneer in the industry. So that being said, this is a cool experience for me. Now on to what I like about the system. First and foremost, I'll just touch on the things I've kind of already did. First is that this is a hydrogen inhalation system that is manufactured in Japan. And Japan is considered definitely like the epicenter of hydrogen therapy or research. And so, and they typically, are referred to as kind of like the standard for quality. And so knowing that we have the opportunity to recommend not just any inhalation unit from Japan, but one that is from a pioneering company. Like, this company's DoctorsMan has been around for a long time. And so I think all the way stretching back all the way to 2005 is when their company started. Like, that's really cool. I'm glad to be able to bring people this option and basically allow people to be able to get it through us. And so that would be first and foremost. And then after that, I would want to speak to some of the internal things they got going on. Their hydrogen cell is rated for something like 50,000 hours. Now that is pretty remarkable. It is one of the highest ratings I've ever got to hear about from a hydrogen cell. And if you do the numbers on this, you're talking about, being able to use this system for a very long time. That cell, before the cell would degrade or have any kind of performance drop. and so their technology that they're using when it comes to hydrogen cell is above head and shoulders compared to anything I've looked at so far, and what we've been able to analyze. And we've looked at a lot of hydrogen inhalation systems over the last 8 years. And so that's something I really love about the device. And then I also like the fact that this unit is very simplistic to use. It is not overly convoluted. It's not hard, and they made it very simple. It's literally for most users, if you're not going to get into any of the actual other potential applications with this, such as charging their hydrogen tanks or anything like that. It literally is about like a 2 or 3 button functionality. You turn it on, a master switch. You make sure you have all the water that you need, like the distilled water that you need with it. And you press the button to start, and you press open when you want to breathe, and that's it. It's like super easy. And so I like that about the device. I also like that this company is I would say this company truly cares about safety. And so they've done a lot to ensure that their system is basically going to provide hydrogen inhalation levels that are safe to breathe for pretty much the average adult. So this system supplies about 2 to 2.5% hydrogen inhalation, or I should say the final concentration when you're breathing from this system using a nasal cannula is basically going to end up being around 2 to 2.5%. And this keeps hydrogen's concentration below the flammability concentration and its detonation concentrations. And so they are ensuring that basically the user is going to be safe. And so I like that they really do care about safety, and they've gone the extra mile to ensure that. So kudos to them for that one. I think the last thing I would say before we end would just be, overall, it is a great unit. I think that any kind of medical clinic, I think it's gonna be more suited for medical clinics, universities, things like that, but just for the sheer price point of the device. But with that being said, that they could rest assured, because this system has been used in clinical studies, that it does have efficacy towards therapeutic use. And so they've gone the extra mile to really try to ensure that their technology is being used in clinical studies. I love that about this system. I love that about I love that about the company as well. Not every company does that, and most times people are trying to just sell product. They're not trying to show that their product is actually efficacious. It's actually going to provide therapeutic results for people. And they are doing that, and they continue to do that. And so these are some things I love about this system and really like about it, and that's my personal opinion. This device stands out as one of the most well-built H2 inhalation units in the industry. While it may not be the most accessible option for the average consumer, it is ideally suited for medical professionals with dedicated facilities, elite athletes or sports teams, and high-profile individuals looking to invest in top-tier technology for their health needs. 3 reasons why you should consider this product. First, DoctorsMan is a true industry pioneer, known for producing reliable, high-quality hydrogen products that meet rigorous standards. Second, this device stands out as a top performer in terms of both safety and effectiveness, having demonstrated its capabilities in clinical research settings. Finally, with its advanced hydrogen cell design, this device is built to last. Its projected lifespan ranges from 15 to 30 years under moderate use, ensuring long-term value and consistent performance. Question: do you believe devices like this could one day become mainstream for the wellness industry? What barriers do you think still exist? If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an H2HUBB review. Thank you for watching, and catch us next time at the H2HUBB.